Welcome to Khaoyai. So we just arrived in our hotel and we are currently exploring what is in here, and gosh, you'll be so amazed with the view. Ta-da! Welcome to our room. We'll give you a room tour. Oh wow. So we are now at Splendid Hotel in Khaoyai, and I really love this room, like the ambience and everything is so perfect. And oh my goodness, like look at this view. You get like the nature all around us, and it's so refreshing. As you all know, Khaoyai is surrounded by mountains and valleys, and lots of wild animals were residing in here. And I really can't wait to see one like today or tonight. Who knows? Yay, so we're gonna swim right now. We're gonna enjoy the full view, the mountain and everything. Such a long and amazing day. Good night, everybody. Good morning. Oh, here we go to the favorite time of the day. Gosh, I'm gushing over this wonderful buffet breakfast. It's totally amazing. They have plenty of menus to choose. They have like international and Asians. If you like Thai foods, you can also have it, and all kinds of international. Welcome to Khao Yai National Park. So this is the third largest park in Thailand, and it is mainly situated at Nakhon Ratchasima Province in Thailand. It is very huge, like 2,168 kilometers square. Within the area, you can see a lot of rainforest, greenlands, and even falls. And it is a wildlife sanctuary. If you were lucky enough, you can see a lot of elephants passing by, but we did not. After a long walk, we finally reached the Hills waterfalls. to this beautiful view. So this is our third day here in Khaoyai, and oh, so sad, this is gonna be our last day. We are currently in our B&B at Tongsurit Hill Villa. To explore the area since there's a hill in our B&B.